Hello there, let's take a brief look now at the weather for the week ahead. So it's been dry, sunny and warm of late with some of the UK's highest temperatures through the middle of the week across northern areas of Scotland unusually. The mid-20s here, the average for this point in September, just 17 degrees Celsius, and it's all to do with the position of the jet stream. Of course, you can see it marked on the map here. It's bending round towards the north of the UK, just allowing us to draw in all of this warm continental air and deflecting low pressure systems around this area of high pressure to the north and the west. The high still hangs on towards the north, but some changes further south with low pressure edging some showers in from the near continent. And you can see on the rainfall accumulation chart just where we're going to be seeing that rain as we head through the next few days. It's mostly out towards the south and the west. That's where we'll see the heaviest downpours. They'll begin on Friday afternoon. So on Friday to start the day, it's a murky start. The low cloud burning back to eastern facing coast. Still some sunshine, best in the west. We'll see those showers pop up across the southern half of England through the afternoon, gradually tracking their way further westwards on that easterly wind. Heavy thundery downpours potentially, but it is still warm. Some of the best of the sunshine again for western Scotland and Northern Ireland. And then on Saturday, well, it's more of the same. There'll be more showers just edging in from the south, again mostly out towards the south and the west across much of the southern half of England and Wales, whereas further north, while it's cooler and cloudier, then it will still be dry and there'll still be some sunshine. Again, it will be best the further west you are. Let's take a look at Sunday then. We're seeing that low pressure push in from Iberia. Again, it's going to produce some more showers. Some of them could be heavy and thundery. And the wet weather will be a bit more widespread probably on Sunday as well, affecting much of Wales and down through central southern England, also East Anglia there. The air is still fairly warm towards the south, but certainly temperatures have cooled off. Again, towards the north, it's staying dry, and it could also remain dry as we head through Monday, as well as that low gradually clears away into the North Sea there. So if we take a look at Monday in a little bit more detail, then still rather cloudy towards the north, a few showers perhaps affecting northern areas of Scotland. Most of that rain across East Anglia through the afternoon, and then it will clear away towards the east. But it's now feeling a lot cooler. Temperatures lower than they have been of late, just 12 to 19 degrees Celsius. And Tuesday, a bit of a transition day really. We've seen that low clear away, but there'll still be some showers affecting many areas. Plenty of cloud around, but some sunshine again, possibly best towards the north and the west. And we look out towards the Atlantic to find southwesterly winds starting to roll in, these low pressure systems as we head through next week. Wednesday could be very wet and very windy indeed. And if we just take a look at the position of the jet stream, and now through the middle of next week, it's towards the south of the UK. So we're seeing that colder air stream down from the Arctic and actually a northerly to a northwesterly wind. And of course, we've opened the gate for all of these low pressure centres to start streaming through. So it is going to be very unsettled. It could be very wet and very windy at times. And it's also going to be feeling an awful lot colder as well with that northerly to northwesterly wind. So temperatures go from being above average through this week to being possibly well below average as we head through next week. You can see the temperature drop here in the outlook for our capital cities. Again, it will be wet and windy, unsettled for much of the time.